The Call Profits training program and system is a groundbreaking method for affiliate marketing. Here, affiliates get paid per call, which pays a commission between $40 and $90 for every qualified phone call lasting under 10 seconds. It is not necessary to sell any product or service, and we don't even need to talk to clients. This approach is completely different from the traditional affiliate marketing model that is typically used, which is focused on complete sales, not the high frequency of phone conversations. The Call Profits method utilizes a clever pay-per-call system that takes away some of the most challenging elements of the traditional marketing of affiliates. It doesn't require affiliates to sell products or take on complicated customer journeys. Instead, it concentrates on making great phone calls to connect interested potential customers with corporate buyers who have been approved. The mentors offer unique method blueprint, the exclusive buyer network access details, Facebook traffic generation system, pre-built bridges, ad copy swipes, ad creatives, live Q&A support, earning money through the pay-per-call model. The Call Profits system teaches the method that pays a $40 to $90 commission per qualified call. A qualified call is a call lasting at least 10 seconds. This makes it easy for you to make commissions. Below, let's share a quick breakdown of income potential. 3 calls a day for $50 per call, which amounts to $150 per day, $4,500 for a month. 10 qualifying calls for $50 each, which adds up to $500 per day, $15,000 per month. 20 calls with a qualifying price of $50 each can add up to $1,000 per day, $3,000 for the month. This flexibility allows the possibility of the Call Profits program being more attractive because of the huge potential affiliates can have. Best-selling niche and market demand. This Call Profit system is a solution for businesses with pay-per-call markets that have significant customer lifetime value. Debt settlement pays particularly well, with calls in English that earn $55, $60 for each qualified call lasting for 90 seconds or longer, and Spanish language calls making $50, $55 per call. Below, let me list a few of the niches that work very well in 2025. Debt relief, vehicles insurance, health insurance, mortgages and loans, accident lawyer assistance, home services, electricians and plumbers, high-ticket coaching programs, importance of the landing pages in pay-per-call. In pay-per-call business advertising, there are 3 kinds of landing pages that work in 2025. 1, pages with quiz. Before connecting a potential user to a phone call, it's better to ask a few questions. Example questions could be regarding their credit scores, work situation, and financial status to determine if they're competent. 2, integration with AI chatbots. AI chatbots can easily figure out potential leads that are eligible and then forward the leads to telephone calls, making use of simple yes, no qualification techniques. 3, advertorial format, longer pieces of written content that inform potential clients about the options available to them for debt relief and establish trust prior to asking them to get in touch. Telephone calls serve a higher value than other interactions on the internet. That means phone leads are 30 to 50% more effective than online leads that happen through clicks. Sales cycles are shorter by 60, and the lifetime value of customers is 25% higher. The increase in the cost of call-based leads is due to these better conversion rates. So check out the link in the description about Call Profits program review. Provides complete details about the program. You have the ability to conduct pay-per-call marketing without having to be an expert in sales or technology. The program's done-for-you method includes pre-approved advertisements, tested ad creatives, and a network with buyers who have already expressed interest. Yes, I mean the meta ads. The main requirements for success in the field of Facebook advertisements are that you are familiar with or want to learn about the basics, that you have enough funds to try and improve while adhering to white hat compliance standards, and that you remain patient as you increase and improve your performance. The Call Profits method represents a major shift in affiliate marketing because it concentrates on creating quality, low-effort phone calls rather than complex sales funnels. Affiliates can earn a lot of money and time with just qualified phone calls using established buyer networks, as well as tested methods of generating the most traffic.